Hi, I'm Beck, and food's my life. In today's video, I'm making a savoury, delicious little finger food snack, and it's going to go down a treat at your next party, and it's coming right up. As a child, my Auntie Pam used to make bread cases whenever we had a party or a family gathering, so this recipe brings back really fond memories. They are toasted little bread cases filled with the curried egg savoury filling, and they are spectacular. I remember wanting to eat tons of them, and I had to be polite and I couldn't just hoe into them, but geez, I wanted to. They are very Moorish. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so the first thing I've done is I have taken the crusts off a loaf of fresh bread, and I have buttered each piece of bread with some melted butter. Over here I have a muffin tray, and I've used some oil spray to grease the tray. Now what we're going to do one at a time is we're going to put a piece of bread in each little cup to make our bread cases. Now I'm going to bake these in a moderate oven until they're lightly toasted. Now for the filling for the bread cases. Here I have a large fry pan, and I have melted a good generous tablespoon of butter on a medium to high heat. Now I've just added one onion finely chopped that I'm sauteing. Right, once those onions are a little bit transparent, we're going to add one tomato finely chopped, about a tablespoon worth of finely chopped red capsicum, and about a tablespoon worth of finely chopped celery. And now we're going to cook these all together for about 3 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add some flavours. So here I have 1 teaspoon of Keen's curry powder, a little bit of chili powder just for a little kick, that's up to you how much you want to use, and I've got about half a teaspoon of turmeric. So I'm going to toss those spices in, and of course mix that in nicely. Okay, next we're going to add 2 cups of warm milk. And in my bowl here I have 1 tablespoon of corn flour that I have dissolved in a little bit of cold water. We're going to add this to the pan as well to start thickening this mixture. So we're just going to keep stirring until this thickens nicely. So as you can see, my mixture is bubbling up now, and I can see that it's really starting to thicken. So this is great. I'm just going to keep on stirring till it thickens a little bit more. Okay, at this stage I'm going to add salt to taste and pepper to taste as well. Okay, so I'm happy with the level of salt that's in there now. It's to my liking. And what I'm going to add now is 4 hard-boiled eggs that I have just roughly chopped. So I'm just going to give this a good stir to make sure that those eggs are nicely coated in that beautiful savoury sauce. And then I'm going to take it off the heat so I can fill those beautiful toasted bread cases. So the final step is to take some of our beautiful mixture here and carefully fill each of our bread cases. Once you've gone ahead and you've done that to each and every one, then just before you're ready to serve, pop it back into a moderate oven for another 10 minutes, just to heat it through and to give it that last golden toast on top. So I've made these for friends, but I've just reserved one for a little taste test. It's been a long time since I've had this. Let's go. Wow. You're gonna love this. That is so savoury. Takes me right back to my childhood. That's sensational, guys. There's no other word. You're going to love it. So why don't you just check out the description box below, find the link to my website, and go ahead and make these if you're having a party or a barbecue, get together, there won't be any left, I guarantee. You're gonna love them. And if you've loved this video, why not give me a big thumbs up? Or better still, hit that subscribe button so you always know what I'm up to in the kitchen. I'll see you next time.